Hello, I have for you another video. In this one, I'm going to give you a short overview of the eye creams, spritz, toners, we have peels and cotton pads. Alright, starting with the eye creams. I have a sample of the Clarins. Comes in a little tube. It's a little thicker. It's supposed to be firming and more for a mature skin. I have a dry skin, so I use it at night. It was working fine. I have nothing against it. If you don't want anything specific, you want something light, this one it's perfect. It has a jelly texture. It's an advanced night repair from Estee Lauder. It has a jelly texture. Apparently supposed to it's supposed to be anti-aging and also work with dark circles. I know they improved the formula. It's not a bad product, but I like to layer with something else. So for example, I'm gonna put this one first, which is the same brand, but that's the Matrix, which is stronger version of hyaluronic acid. So for example, I'm gonna put this one first and then this. I do enjoy this one. The only minus, it's the applicator, which is a hard one, and I'm gonna say it's a hard plastic stick. Now, where is that little bottle? Here we go. The minus, it doesn't go through the end. So what I do, I try to scrub the sides, and it doesn't go till the end. So what I do, I try to scrub the sides and also use a Q-tip so I can get everything from it. And it gives me at least like an extra week of use. That's the mist from Garnier. It's quite nice. It's one of those less harmful ingredients formulas. It refresh and technically gives you that nice feeling, and you can also use as a primer. This one I do. Oh come on! This one I do enjoy it. It's from Pixie. This one I do enjoy. It's from Pixie. That's their Milky Mist with hyaluronic acid. I use it as a setting spray and also during the day to refresh my skin. I do enjoy the mister. It gives you like a nice spritz. I do like it. Unfortunately, it's not cheap. I believe it's $20, so I'm gonna repurchase it. But why it's on sale? Another items which I have multiple of is the toner from Origins, supposed to be anti-aging with white tea. It smells divine and has many good ingredients. It costs $20+, so yes, it is expensive. And recently I did video about dupe for it, so I'm gonna stack up on that one. But if someone wanna buy a gift, or if you have a gift card, give it a try. You're gonna really enjoy it. Now next one is the L'Oreal peel pads with AHA. It's 10%. The pads are quite big and comes with a texture, so they have texture. So one side it's smooth, the other one has a texture on it. I do like it. I went through many tubes of them, so far I have 2. Then we have, this was like a sample cotton round pad with one of the Target boxes. They were nice. I have nothing against them. Then we have Misha cotton pads, which I can tell are a good dupe for the Shiseido pads. They're also soft, nice, and here we go if you want to take a good look at it. So it comes in a pack of 100, and I have 2 boxes of it. The last time when they were on sale, I kind of stack up on them, so I still have a few more boxes left. Okay, so that was my short overview, and I see you guys shortly. Bye!